Hi guys, in this session you are going to learn about the merging in SAS, and the definition is combines observation from two or more SAS datasets into a single observation in a new dataset. Simply joining of two datasets. For explain about the merging, I am creating two datasets. They are first one is a test one and the second one is a test 2. Observe here, I am creating a very simple data set with the three observations and the three variables here. They are ID, name, sex and ID, name and gender. Now I am doing one simple merging here. Before that we have to sort two data set, test 1 and test 2 and merge. And here I named the data set demo and the statement is a merge, and then the two data sets are test1 and test2. I want to join these two and by ID and run. Keep in mind, whenever you merge two data sets, we have to remember three important points. And the first one is we needed two data set for merging, and the next one, before merging we have to sorting those two data sets, and the third one, we need one common variable in a two data sets. Here I have a common variable ID. In this data set also ID. This is my common variable and we have to sorting that common variable only. And we have to use that common variable in a by in the merge statement. And if you don't want to by, just skip it, and sorting also skip. But most of the situations we have to use a by statement and that to common variable, and there is a must and should a common variable in the two data sets. Got it? And first we run one by one. First we are running test 1. Yeah, log is clear, test 1 and test 2. Yeah, test 2 is clear. And first we have to sorting those two. We are sorting. Yeah, sorting. Now we run a merge. Okay, here 3 observation and 3 observation, totally 6 observation and 5 variables. Here we are opening those data sets. First one is the test 1. Yes, test 1 is a 1, 2, 3, Ram, James and Jeevan. And test 2 with the Lakshmi, Jahnavi, Sita, 4, 5, 6, whatever the observation, but we need a one common variable. Name should be same, just like an ID. In the test 1 also ID. Now the demo is this is a merging data set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There is no common observations. Keep in mind, no common observations here. That's why the data is getting like this. This is a simple merging of two data sets. There are some types in a merging. In that, first one is one-to-one merge. Okay, and simply what is a one-to-one merge? It means there is a common observation in that common variable. Okay, the two data sets are, look at here, ID, visit, QRS and QTC, and the next one ID, visit and HR. If you observe here, in ID there is a 0101 and in the 0101, and here 0202, here 0202. But previously 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, there is a no common observation in a common variable. But now we have a common observations in the common variable. Then what happened in this type of situation? It is a one-to-one match. Okay, and enabled the data set data 1 to 1 and match ECG1 and ECG2. This is the ECG1, this is the ECG2 with the common variable ID and the common observations also there here, and run. Here I am not using a by statement, that's why no need of sorting. When we use a by statement only, you have to use the sorting here. And first we run ECG1 and log is clear, ECG1, and the next one is ECG2. ECG2 is log is clear, and finally merging. Okay, merging is successful and we are opening 1 to 1. Observe here, what is the difference between here is a demo and here is a one-to-one. In the demo there is no common observation in a common variable ID, but in the one-to-one what happened, there is a common observation. That's why what happened, for these common observations, there is adding these QTC, HR, QRS and a visit also common observations here. Observe here. In the demo one, there is a one variable in a common ID, but there is a no common observation. There is another option for the joining of two data sets, that is set. Then what is the difference between merge and set here? Okay, now I am applying the same set in the ECG1 and ECG2. Then how the data will be changed? Data dummy, set ECG1 and ECG2 and run. Now we are running this set dummy, log is clear dummy. Now we are opening dummy. Okay, observe here, whenever we do set, what happened, it will be add at the down, just as it is. This is the first data set and this is the second data set. Here only set is happening here, but when we do merging, it will be joined by the common variable 1 1 2 2. If you open ECG1, you can easily understand. ECG1 ID visit QRS QTC in the same ID same visit. Then what happened in the ECG2, only HR is a different, ID visit is same. From that two, what we get, we are getting output like this. We are just joining in the by level ID and visit. This is the difference between merging and set. For the next one, I am creating another two data sets. I named ECG3 and ECG4. Same observation, but what is the difference? I am adding this 3 and 3 here, but here we have only 1 3. Okay, there is a reason for this. First we are running this ECG3. Yeah, ECG3 is successful. And the next one is the ECG4. Okay, ECG4 also successful. Before going it, first observe the data sets here. And the ECG3 as 1 1 2 2 3 3, and just like a visit 10 20 10 20 10 20 here. And in the ECG4 1 1 2 2 3 3, here only 1 3. In the ECG3 we have a 2 3 IDs. Already you know, before merging we have to sort, okay, ECG3 by ID and visit. These are the common variables in these two data sets and run. And the next one is the ECG4 by ID, and I am running this sorting. Yes, sorting successful here now. And the second one is if A and B. For getting common observation from two data sets, keep in mind A and B is for common observation from the two data sets, and this is also called as an inner merge. Then the data set is the merge to merge. ECG in equals to A, in equals to B. Then what is here in equals to A and in equals to B? Here I am not adding any in equals to A and in equals to B. But here when we go with the if A and B, here I am adding in equals to A, in equals to B. And the next one is a by ID and a visit. By ID I am sorting in the level of by ID and a visit. That's why I am just adding ID and visit. Whatever the variable you are adding here, there must be sorted in the two data sets, same variables. Okay, then if A and B and run. Here this A and this B are the user defined. What does it mean? Whatever the name you want, you may use here. And is a must and should for getting common observation from two data set, and here you name A and B are the user defined. Now I am running this if A and B. Okay, then what we get? Before that we have to open ECG3 and ECG4. And what is the meaning of if A and B? We get only common observation in the level of ID and visit. Okay, in the ECG3, sixth one is a different one. Observe here, in the 3 there is no 20. Okay, then we are opening merge 2 here, merge 2. Yes, simply we are not getting that 320 here, and in the 1 also here 120 is there, but in the ECG4 there is only 110, 130 is there. Okay, but in the ECG3 120 is there. That's why what we get here common, we need only common 110, 210, 220, 310. Whatever the common observation in that particular by variable, it will be coming in the if A and B. Only common. And the next one is if A or B, then what does it mean? All the observation from both the data sets here. Okay, and everything is same. I named the data set merge 3 and merge ECG 3 and ECG 4 and by ID visit and if A or B. Why I am not doing sorting again here? Why? Because already I am sorting for the merge 2. Again, no need of sorting for the merge 3. If you use another by variable, there is a need of sorting those two again. But I am using the same by variables, whatever we sorting before. Okay, now we are running this merge 3. If A or B for the all the observation from both the data set. I am running this. Log is clear, merge 3. Okay, are you getting here? In the 1 we have a 10, 20, 30, in the 2, 10, 20, in the 3, 10, 20. Okay, in the ECG 3, we have a 110 and 120. In the ECG 4, we have 130. And in the merge 3, we are getting all the observation in that particular ID variable. This is a if A or B. It means all the observation from the two data set. And the next one, if A. If A means all the observation from A, okay, whatever you mention in equals to A, that will be A, and only matching ones from the B. It means from the both left merge. We also call as a left merge here. Keep in mind, this is an important one. Left merge, inner merge, 1 to 1. Okay. Then how it will be? Remaining is same. Merge 4. Data set name is a merge 4. Merge ECG 3 and ECG 4. And by same by variable and if A and run. I am already telling you A is a user defined, whatever the name you want. And here if you mention in equals to A, here it will be the A data set. If you in equals to B mention here, it will be the B data set, wherever you mention here and here. And what is the if A? All the observation from A. Okay, all the observation from A. What is the meaning of A here? ECG 3. All the observation, what does it mean? All the observation here, whatever the variables in a ID 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3 and a 10, 20, 10, 20, 10, 20. And at the same time, whatever that observation matching with the B. What is the matching here? 110 is matching, 210 is matching, 220 is matching, 310 is matching. Then what observation is not coming in the mesh? This one. This is not matching with the A. Okay, now we check with the data set merge 4. Yeah, merge 4 is running successful, merge 4. Okay, observe here there is a no 130. Why? Because it is not matching with the ECG 3. There is a no 130. It's not matching, that's why we are not getting in this merging data set. And the next one, if B, just like a if A, all the observation from B and only matching ones from A. Keep in mind, what is that if B? All the observation from B and only matching observations from the A. Okay, and if B we call as a right merge. And we are going with the code. I named the data set merge 5 and the remaining is a merge. By is the same, that's why I am not sorting again. And here if B and run. And if you observe why we called if A as a left merge, then why we called if B as a right merge. Why? Because in the merge, this is the left one, this is the right one, according to you. Yes or? Yes, this is the right, this is the left. And if A means left merge, if B means right merge. Okay, now we are running this. Log is clear, merge 5, we are opening merge 5. Here all the observation from A, okay, 10, 10, 20, 10. There is a no 320 in the ECG 4, yes, but in the ECG 3, 320 is there. But we are not getting in the merge. Why? Because this is not matching with the ECG 4. Why? Because this 320 is not matching with the ECG 4 here. Okay, this is an if B. And the next one is if A and not B. Then what does that mean? Observations from A only. We are getting observation from A and that too non-match record from B. Here it is a very little bit of trick is there. Observe here clearly. We are getting only observation from A. What type of observation? That are non-matching records to the B. Okay, I'm explaining with the code. And I am to the dataset merge 6 and merge ECG3 and ECG4 same by level. That's why I am not starting again. And if A not B and run. What does that mean? Observation from A that records are non-matching with the B. I am running this code. Merge 6 log is clear. Merge 6 and opening merge 6. Here we are getting only 2 records. Why we get these 2 records here? First one, this is a A. ECG3 is a A. ECG4 is a B. Observation from A, only these observations that non-matching with the B. Okay, then what are the record in the ECG3 that is not matching with the B? 320. There is a no 320 in the B. And what is the next one? 120. Okay, there is a no 120 in the ECG4. Yes, there is a no 120 here. And a 320. This is the non-matching records from A. That's why what we get in a merge 6, 120 and a 320. Are you got it here? This is the meaning of if A and not B. Observation from A only. What type of observation? They are not matching with the B. Okay, same with the B. If B not A. Observation from B. Then what type of observation? They are not matching with the A. Okay, I am explaining with the code. I named the dataset merge 7 and the same merge ECG3 and ECG4 and a by ID and a visit if B not A and run. What does it mean? Observation from B, that too not matching with the A. If B and not A. We are running this down. Okay, log is clear. Merge 7. Then what we get? Only 130 here. Why we get this? Here this is the B, this is a A. Yes, ECG3 is a A, ECG4 is a B. Observation from B. Okay, observation from B and that too not matching with the A. Then which one is a not matching in the ECG4? 130. This second observation is a not matching with the A data set here. And there is a no 130. That's why in the merge 7, what we get? 130. And the next one, many to many. In the first one we are explaining about 1 to 1. It means that there is each and every observation is the same in that common variable. Now many to many. Then what is the meaning of many to many here? I named the dataset many, match ECG3 and ECG4 by ID and visit and run. Here I am not using any if A or if B like that. Here this is a not one type of merging here. This is a one situation. Like a 1 to 1. In the 1 to 1 also we are not using any if A or if B like that. We are just writing a merge. This is the one situation 1 to 1. Here many to many. Then what is the meaning of many to many here? In the ECG3, if you observe in the ID visit 0, 1, 10 is there, 0, 1, 10 is there. 0, 1, 10. Here only 1 and 0, 1, 30. Many to many. Here there is not a one observation here. You understand here? Many to many. 1 to 110, 130. Just like a 210, 220, 210, 220. Got it? Same observation 210, 220. This is the meaning of many to many. We are running this code. Many. Got it? What is the difference here? 1 to 1, many to many. Many to many. In the 1 there is a 10, 20, 30. In the 2 there is a 10, 20. In the 3, 10, 20. We are getting all the observation many to many. For for 2 or more observation in the another data set there is a 2 or more observation. It is an important topic while merging. Most of the time we are getting this note, that is a merge by repeat. It is an important issue and we have to remove this from the log window. Then what is this merge by repeat? Then how we remove this? For that I am taking a two data sets, ECG5 and ECG6 here. And if you observe same data set here, but what I mentioned here I am taking one extra data set, 0 to 10, same data set, 0 to 10, 0 to 10. Here 0 to 20 is there, 0 to 20 is there. Now I am running this down. Only in this type of situation only we are getting a merge by repeat, and ECG5 and ECG6 are running successful. And already we know that before merging we have to sorting those two data sets by. Here we have a two common variable, but I am taking only one by ID, and whatever we use the sorting, that only in the merging statement, and enable the data set checking. Merge ECG5 and ECG6, that is a n equals to A, this is an n equals to B, and by ID, and if A, I am just using if A here, and run. Now first I am running sorting successful ECG5 and ECG6. Now I am running this. Observe here, this is a merge by repeat statement. Merge statement has more than one data set with the repeats of by values. What does it mean here? Then what is the ECG5 and ECG6? In the ECG5, what are the observation? In the only ID. Why? Because I am just to mention ID only. 1, 2, 2, 3. In the ECG6, 1, 2, 2, 3. While merging, what system do actually? Here 1 is there. Then what it do? Just merging this one. Now here 2 is there. And system confusing here. This 2 belongs to which one? This 2 or this 2? Both are same, right? And this type of situation we call as a one to many. Got it? In this type of situations we are getting merge by repeat. Then what we do for removing that merge by repeat? There are mainly two ways to remove that merge by repeat. First one, increase the number of variables in a by statement. Why? What is the purpose of increasing here? This is the ECG5, this is the ECG6, and when we get merge by repeat, if it is a one to many, here only 1, 2 is there, and here there is a 2's in another data sets. And in this situation, what is the first solution? We have to increase the number of variables. If I am increasing visit, then what happens here? This is an if A. What is that if A? All the observation from A and a common observation from B. Then what happened when we increasing the number of variable? It just mean I am adding in a by visit. Then what happened here? Here 210 is there. The ECG5 220. Then what it do? It create another column. Got it? Just like that. Here 210 is there, and here just created another column. Okay. Here 310 is same. We have a issue in a 2. Now we go with the code, and I am just increasing visit, the ECG6 visit, and run. Before that I am just sorting in the ID only. For now I am increasing visit, and the merging is the same, checking 1, and I made ECG5 and ECG6 by ID and visit. I am just increasing the variable in a by statement, and if A, same if A. First I am running sorting. Yes, sorting successful ECG5 and ECG6. Now I am running checking 1. In the checking 1, merge by repeat is gone. But before, in the checking, there is a merge by repeat, and if you increase the number of variable in the by statement, merge by repeat will be removed. And the second way is to remove the duplicates. Then how we remove the duplicates? Already you know, just by using no dup. In the both the dataset, I am removing the duplicates. Before removing the duplicate, first we have to confirm there is a duplicate observation in the dataset. Observe here, this is a duplicate dataset. Everything is same, 223, 240, 320. And here is a duplicate, 210, 30. Now we are removing the duplicates here by ID only. And the next one, ECGC, no dup, by ID and run. I am just removing the duplicates from the both. Okay, yeah, one duplicate is removing and one duplicate is deleted. Now I am doing merging. Taking two, merge ECG5 and ECG6 by ID and EPA and run. Now I am running this checking too. Like this, we can remove the merge by repeat by increasing the number of variables in a by statement or removing duplicates from the data sets. Please subscribe my channel, click the bell icon, like the video and comment below, share with your friends. Thank you. Support me.